I think what motivates me is really that sense of discovery and that excitement when just before you're about to perform an essay, you don't really know, and really feeling like you are answering questions that no one has really considered before.
I'm actually passionate about knowing why a disease is caused and how one could stop it. So I really find it interesting to know what kind of molecular background is there and which exact protein or which exact gene is causing that. And I think the further we get the road down, the more therapies we can get for every disease. And of course, there's diseases which are not nice, like Alzheimer's and so on. So if at some point we are there that we can cure them, I think we made it.
There's multiple different reasons why I'm passionate about the things that I do. Firstly, you're in with people that are also the same kind of breed as you, the same kind of ilk. There's been no place where I felt more comfortable than being among fellow nerds, fellow scientists. Two, it's just a great mix of all the different things, inquiry, being able to find the results. There's the challenge of being good at things, pipetting, all this kind of thing. It's a very dexterous task as well. Every single day is different and it's always a challenge, good or bad.
The thing is, when I start in research, I always love finally new technology and you bring new solution, and it's why I loved it.
It's having the end goal in mind, even though drug discovery takes a very long time, at the end, sort of the work you're doing will hopefully help a patient somewhere. And then I guess also I just have an innate interest in biology. It's just so complicated and finding out how your body works and what drugs are doing. So I just find that on a day-to-day level, it's sort of like solving a mystery.
Yeah, so I really enjoy working together with the client. So it's really working through a goal and achieving something. And because Charles River has such big impact, we know that it always comes back to the patient in the end.
I'm most passionate about helping our customers because they're the ones that are changing the face of medicine and improving the lives of patients.
Any of us could be affected at any time, whether we need a diagnostic or whether we need a medicine or gene therapy, whatever it is. All of this work is behind the scenes leading to that end goal, which is something that can benefit someone's life.
What motivates me is really it's the science. I'm a scientist by background, and the opportunities for us to help customers, researchers, to develop new therapies, new treatments that improve healthcare.
One day, one patient that was treated with one of our batches, a little girl, 4 years old, who couldn't walk in her life. She couldn't walk. And suddenly he got the treatment, and almost, I don't know if it was 1 year of time or something after the treatment, she could walk and eat by herself. She couldn't even eat. A little children, And for all of us to see that person right in front of our eyes, it was a life-changing moment, completely. So that's why I'm so proud of being part of something so big.